Hello my dear fashionistas, this short video is one of the first of the quick tips to start and grow and scale your fashion business from zero to wherever you want. So today I want to talk to you about 8 steps to start your clothing line or fashion business, whether you are selling products or services directly from your home and in just 90 days. Why? Because I know that many students are really looking to start their own clothing line from home because things are really changed, and now you don't need really to have a big studio, lots of employers, but if you want to start a small business, you can do directly from your home. So let's see the 8 steps. Step number 1, define your vision and brand identity. Of course, I just forgot to tell you that you can subscribe to this channel, but also you can check in the notes all the links that will be very helpful for you to start your fashion business. So define your vision and brand identity. It means to know exactly who is your ideal customer and how you can solve their problems and to satisfy their needs with your irresistible offer. Second step, create a solid business plan. Solid business plan is something very, very important for you because it's basically the way that you build your business, what is your vision, your mission, and how you can reach your goals. So you need always to have a clear idea and create cash flows every single month or every single week as well. Third step, establish your home-based workspace. So it means that today you can create a workspace in your home where you can think how you want to create your business, but today you don't need to start from zero. For example, your clothing line, beauty line, accessories line, but you can use different methods as well because you don't need to have a large inventory, but you can use different type of business models like print on demand, like drop shipping. There are so many ways that you can start without investing lots of money, of course. So if you want to learn more, just check in the notes because there is my new ebook plus workshop where I explain you exactly how you can start your fashion business from your home and with different type of business models like drop shipping, like print on demand, and without investing much money. So check the show notes. Step number 4, design and develop your products. Designing your products, again, you can decide the way that you want to work. If you want to work directly with suppliers and create your own line from zero, you need then to invest money. But if you want to find another way to create your own fashion brand with business models that you don't need to invest money on it, like print on demand, drop shipping, this is much better. And there are many ways to do it. Then step number 5, set up an online presence. This is, I see different type of, I have a different approach of setting up your online presence. You can do organically, you can do with paid ads, you can do with affiliate marketing, but what I always suggest that you need to build your email list first. So give something valuable for free to your potential customer, your ideal customer, in exchange for their email, and build a relationship with them through your email list. And then also build your sales funnels. So you don't need to have exactly an amazing, super complicated website, but what you need is a sales funnel. Because through a sales funnel, you can acquire, with a low ticket offer, acquire your potential customer and then your customer, and you can start to create a community of your paying customers, and you can start to build a relationship with them. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can check my free training 5 secrets to get consistent sales in your fashion business, and you can check in the show notes, in this video notes, the link, but you can go directly to ebooksforfashion.com because there is a new revamped website and you can find all the free trainings there. Then the 6th step is to plan your marketing and sales strategy. So it means that you need really to know in advance what is your marketing plan and your sales strategy. This is very important for you to build a steady income and to have a very strong brand, whether you're selling products always and services. Then step number 7, launch and promote your brand. You need to create an event, product launch, it's called, and you can use always sales funnel to launch your event, your brand. And this is what I always talk to my students in my courses and my coaching programs, because you need to create excitement for your business and for your brand. And with a product launch is the easiest way, because you use scarcity and urgency in your offer. So you need to create a product launch. Then step number 8, monitor, evaluate, and adapt. You always have to change your way, always accordingly with the results and what you see in your fashion business. So this is very important, because you cannot do always the same things. You need to change and adapt in your fashion business too. So I hope these few quick tips are very helpful for you, and if you have any question, you can check all the links in the notes under this video, and just subscribe to this channel for more videos every single week. I hope you enjoyed and have a beautiful day. Bye for now.